In question 2a, you are asked to find this telescoping sum, log of r plus 1 over r in summation r from 1 to 99. Let's see why this is a telescoping sum. Recall that when we have log of x over y, we can write it as log x or log y, and that's the reason why it becomes a telescoping sum. So if you consider log of r plus 1 over r, it's just log of r plus 1 minus log r, and you can write it the other way around, log r minus log r plus log r plus 1. So which means if you look at the sum LG of or log of r plus 1 over r from 1 to 99, you can actually use this formula to write it as summing minus log r plus log r plus 1. After that, you sub r as 1. If you sub r as 1, you get minus log 1 plus log 2. If you sub r as 2, you get minus log 2 plus log 3. If you sub r as 3, you get log 3 plus log 4, and so on until 99. 99. So it gives you minus log 99 plus log 100. And after that, you observe there are a lot of cancellations. Plus log 2 and minus log 2 cancel. Log 3 and minus log 3 cancel. So log 4 and minus log 4 will cancel. So in this way, you know that all the middle term one will cancel. And so log of 98 minus 98 will cancel with the previous term. Then log 99 and minus log 99 cancel, which means you left with minus log 1 and log 100. Okay, When you present answer, you can present in this way. You can present in this way. So you group the log 2 and minus log 2 together. Or you can just observe that there will be cancellations. Okay. So all these cancel away. So you're left with minus log 1 and log 100. Log 100 will give you 2. Log 1 gives you 0. Log 1 is 0. LG1 is 0. So that's why it's 0 plus 2, it gives you 2.